Have you ever wondered why your favorite recipes taste better with chicken thighs? Let's dive into the science behind this culinary secret. Chicken thighs are more flavorful because they contain more fat and collagen, which break down during cooking to enhance taste and moisture. They're also juicier compared to breasts. Thighs are more forgiving when cooked because they can handle higher temperatures without drying out, making them perfect for grilling and slow cooking methods like crock pots. Chefs agree that thighs are juicier and more flavorful than white meat. This preference has grown not just for taste, but also due to economic reasons. Thighs are often cheaper. Bone-in thighs provide even more flavor as the bone adds a rich depth of taste. When cooked, the crispy skin seasoned and grilled is an added delight. You can adapt your recipes for thighs by marinating them before grilling over medium heat to ensure they stay moist and flavorful throughout the cooking process. In summary, chicken thighs offer a more robust flavor profile due to their fat content and collagen. They are versatile for different cooking methods and budget-friendly too. So next time you cook, try substituting chicken breasts with thighs. What dish do you think would benefit most from this flavorful upgrade? Let me know in the comments.